our home. I'm Michelle with Alaska Rural Homestead. I really hope this video finds you well this holiday season with hearts full of hope and kindness and faith. So today I'm going to be sharing a holiday favorite with you. We're going to be making a spice cake, and this spice cake will be made with honey from our hives this year. Not only does honey provide a remarkable flavor to your baked goods, but it really keeps baked goods fresh and moist, and it adds a distinctive flavor to your baked goods. And honey is nature's most remarkable sweetener there is, with tons of vitamins and minerals, and so great for you. It's really great for cookies, cakes, you name it, bread. So today we're going to be making our cakes. So before we get started, I wanted to show you this sign that I have made, and it is a rustic sign, and I'm going to go ahead and get this table cleared off and get some of my ingredients together, and we'll get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our flour. We're going to need 3 cups of flour. Okay, so I've got my 3 cups of flour here. Now we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to be using a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, ginger, allspice, cinnamon, and ground cloves. Now we're going to get this mixed up. Smells good already. We're going to set this aside. We've got 4 eggs here that we're going to go ahead and get beaten. So you guys, this recipe will be in the comment section below our video, so make sure you check that out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this beaten. Now that we've lightly beaten our eggs, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of oil. I like to use olive oil. Just going to mix this up. We're going to set that aside. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to add 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Go ahead and mix this up. All right. we've got 3/4 cup of brown sugar we're going to be adding to our egg mixture. This is smelling so good. This holiday spice cake is so good with a little bit of butter on there. It's so delicious. All right, now we've got 1 1/3 cups of pure raw honey. Now, I did have to warm up my honey because we had crystallized honey, and we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 325. All right, now that we got that all mixed up, we're gonna add this to our flour and spice mixture. Now you are going to need 2 9x5 by 3.5 inch loaf pan for this, and you're going to need to grease them. All right, so we're going to get this mixed up. And you're also going to need 1/3 cup of some type of nuts. I like to use pecans. You can use walnuts also. All right, now I've got to kind of break up my nuts a little bit. Okay, so you want 1/3 cup of diced nuts. All right, so we got this all incorporated. Now you're gonna need 1/3 cup of really strong coffee, and I like to use instant coffee for this. So we're just gonna go ahead and incorporate this. It's looking good. All right, now that we got that incorporated, we're gonna go ahead and grease our loaf pans. Need to clean this up a little bit. Okay, so we got our spice cake all mixed up and it's ready for our loaf pans. Now you just want to kind of try to put half and half. At least hubby's not trying to steal my goodies this time. This smells so amazing, baking. It's such a wonderful scent. this time of the year.
Alright, just hang on. I am going to lick the bowl.
No,
That's
you're
the
not.
beautiful part about this, of being married to such a wonderful woman.
Sweetie.
My God, that's good. See y'all.
Okay, you guys, so this is ready for the oven. We preheated our oven to 325. It's already heated up. Now we're gonna go ahead and bake this 30 to 40 minutes until lightly browned. And I'll see you back then. Okay, you guys, so I just took the spice cake out of the oven and it smells awesome. I really wish you all could be here to have a piece. But anyways, I had to bake it a little bit longer. So depending on your area, you might have to bake it 40 to 50 minutes. And hopefully you guys will give this a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Happy holidays.